Hey everybody, how you doing? Mark here, standing just off of US Highway 51. And this is you know what? I don't even remember the name of this road. It's like the Blue Sky Lake or something like that road. I don't know, something like that. But I know it is Rustic Road 58. This is it says 10 miles there. I think the website has like 9.6 or something like that. I don't care. Either way, I'm going to ride it. I got to make it kind of quick because clouds are starting to roll in and I see some scattered showers here and there. So let's get on the bike, ride this road. Man, I tell you, these rustic roads are supposed to be lightly used roads, but it took me a while to do my intro because I kept on having to wait for cars to go by. I didn't want to be standing in the middle of the road. Of course, I didn't see the speed sign either. So I think for now I'll leave it at about 35. This road here is all paved. And it's just outside of, what's the name of the, Minocqua, something like that. Minocquan, I don't know. But I'm getting to the end of my iron butt ride trip. I'm actually making my way home. Here it is, 3:30 in the afternoon. I've made it like an hour and a half down 51 from where I started. I hit up like 4 or 5 rustic roads. And in fact, we do have a rustic road that actually comes from 70 and then meets up down here, and we'll do that last. But right now, let's just concentrate on this road. I mean, it's got a nice, I don't know, kind of aged aesthetic feel to it. You know, some of the houses look, you know, dated and aged, like you kind of expect. The road seems in decent shape. It's a little bumpy, as to be expected. The tree line, it's a little close to the road, but not horrible. I mean, I think a lot of it is just like the tall grass and shrubs that are growing out from the wooded area. It hasn't been cut for a while, so, you know, that stuff makes it look like the woods are closer to the road than what they really are. There's some nice colors in those trees up there, huh? Sucking up all of his leaves. Oh man, yep, it is 35 through here. There's the speed limit sign. Now I am using my map a little bit because for the most part the road is fairly straight, but at a couple places we actually have to turn off onto a different road. So I'm using it just to make sure I don't miss those. Nice little curve right there, that was nice. Some more color in the trees. Yeah, like I said, the wind's really been picking up, and I think it's just because there's a storm brewing. Most of the storm is north of us. You know, it's like going through the northern part of Minnesota right now. But there are scattered things that are showing up down here. So I think I'm going to do 58 now, and then this will actually take us up and around out to 70. And since I'm here, I'm going to go and do that other little one that connects to this road, and I think it's actually Rustic Road 59. And then after I do that, I think I'm just going to bug out of here, get south and get away from all the rain. Yeah, these are some nice hills and nice curves. I like the speed limit being at 35, because that's a good speed for these curves. I don't feel like I need to grab a handful of brake to slow down and go like 20 around a curve or anything like that. So it's just being a nice comfortable ride, really. Looks like they're doing some deforestation here, probably getting ready to put up a bunch of houses. That would be my guess anyway. Yeah, see, now this is that, I think that's that 59. Okay, we'll have to see what's going on up here. Looks like they're doing some work. So it's utility work ahead. Okay, it looks like they're getting ready to lay down, was it a pipe or something? Oh, that one got blown over. It looks like they're working on some electrical utility there. Alright. This one looks a little sharp on the map, so I'm going to downshift. Yeah, looks like that's what they're doing. I'm seeing utility box covers along the side of the road. Hey, look at that. Big old truck. Downshift again. They said utility work, they're not joking. Okay, this is a sharp turn as well, downshift. This part here is basically heading north. And it looks fairly straight, not a whole lot of zigzags. Like what we just went through is like some of the sharper zigzags. Everything else will be like these slow little winding bits. Still doing my 35. Yeah, again, look how far back the trees are. There's some scrub brush growing, but I'm sure they'll be out in probably a year or so and mow it all down. And oh, well, this looks like it's got a sharp curve too. Take her down to second. Not bad. Not bad. Did that one at about 25. Now I think there's a an actual intersection turn we have to make up here. I'm not sure exactly. Oh, look at this. Look at all these turkeys. Look at them all. Those are pretty small. That was funny. Alright, so this is kind of the turn that we have to make. You don't go straight. You make this bend here. And this one up here is kind of the same thing. It's like a four-way intersection by the way it looks. You know, you can go straight or you can go that way, but we're actually going to make the bend here. Oop. Forgive me, I don't know how to ride a motorcycle. And that should be all of the intersection curves. Everything else should just be nice windy curves now. I'm curious on if the local authorities send out vehicles to blow the leaves off the road. Because look at all that leaf coverage, but then there's almost nothing in the road. I don't know, that was just a thought I had. This is nice, holy cow. So the road conditions have actually been really well. You know, not really broken up and bumpy and hard to ride. I mean, I had you know, the utilities crew working there, but that was nothing. Oh wow, yeah, these are nice curves. Wow, that was really nice. Oh. look at this. Now, don't you wish you were me? Being able to ride these roads like this. This is awesome. Looked like a walking path. I don't know if there's a park here or if it's just private land and somebody made a trail for them to hike. Maybe it's for the snowmobiles, because that's a big thing up here. We tend to get a lot more snow up here than we do down where I live. See? Snowmobile crossing. Usually a snowmobile crossing's marked on the road with a big fat white line that goes across. But I didn't see the white line anywhere. This little section hasn't been too bad. Fairly straight, but you know, nice little undulation of hills. So that's not bad. That's pretty nice. Little creek down there. Got their light posts all decorated up for Halloween. Just nice. Oh, I just saw a couple of cars go by there, so that must be the end of our Rustic Road. Yep, there's the sign. So I'm just going to stay here and now the thing is, off to our left, a few miles down, or off to our right, I'm sorry, a few miles down that way will be Rustic Road 59, which I do want to do before I get out of here and the rain starts coming. But down that way is Rustic Road 105. That's a very nice, beautiful road. It has some gravel to it, so be aware of that. But as for right now, I'm going to call this video done on this road, beautiful road, as normal. So always believe heart, soul, mind, and body in yourself. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.